Hello, today I'm going to tell you how to convert your personal account to a fan page. And by converting your personal profile to a page is not converting. There's a new option. You can keep your profile and you can make a page. This service or this is best solution for those people who have more than 5,000 friends on their personal profile and there are lot of pending requests on their page, on their profile page. So it's best way you can convert your 5,000 friends to page likes, and later on you can use your profile and you can delete some of them friends, maybe 1,000, 2,000, and your original friends will be on your page. So whenever you want to update your profile, you can copy on your this profile onto page, so those friends will be following you on your page. So the best way is go to your profile, on above on there is a quick help button. There will be appear Facebook help, and there is written how can I help. Write down how to convert your when you will write how to convert, the drop down menu will be appear, and first one, and you can open it. You double click and it will be open, and you can make it bigger when clicking by on it loud. So there is, you can see you shall have a personal account and a page after conversion. So before it was not possible. Before it was you can convert and your account you can't use. Now you can use both of them. So this is simple. And at bottom you go here, they will give you option, clickable option. Click it, and they will be showing you. You can select your information from your profile, your photos, and you can write down. You can create and with this name. You can give a specific name, and you can copy data from your profile, and you can select which friends you want to convert to your page liker. So you can select all, and then all friends will be going to on your page. So I already converted, so you can't see it, but when you will do, will appear what you want to write, which profile picture you want to copy. You can copy from your main page. I hope this will help those people who have more than 5,000 friends, so they can remove friends once they make a page, because these friends will be become page liker, so they are not going to lose you and you are not going to lose them. I hope this will help you. Thank you very much. Bye bye.